Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. I'm also doing okay. So guys, today I've decided to prepare this type of greens. Here I have it. I hope you are seeing it. So that one we called pumpkin leaves, and the other one is Jute Mallow, that is the Miranda. So that is what I want to prepare today. I had to sit down to prepare my greens because my worktop is not that big. So after removing the leaves from the stems, I had to clean it, to wash it thoroughly. So many people don't normally like jute mallow because it is always slimy. But jute mallow has so many importance in our body. Medically, it prevents treatment of diabetes mellitus, fever, cold, diarrhea. They say jute mallow is packed with vitamin K that is useful for blood clotting. Researchers also show that it is packed with vitamin B6 that helps to prevent eye problem or blindness. We have another reason that is packed with vitamin C that improve the immune system, fight against various diseases. Jute mallow improve the skin, hair and health because it has vitamin B2 that help to raise the collagen level in our body. And like pumpkin leaves are rich in soluble fiber that helps to reduce cholesterol absorption. Low cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disorders. Pumpkin leaves help to strengthen the bones. Pumpkin leaves have high amount of calcium and phosphorus and are essential for bones. Again, another point, pumpkin leaves help to fight colon cancer. It contains soluble and insoluble fiber that ease bowel movement. Another reason, pumpkin leaves support the immune system, enable the body to fight against several disorders and infections. It provides soft skin and supple. That high water content in the leaves helps to retain and moisture and provide soft and supple skin. So if you are not consuming jute mallow, pumpkin leaves, it means you are missing a lot. Do you know, guys, pumpkin leaves lower the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis because it has vitamin B6 in the pumpkin plant's leaves. It helps to curb pain in muscle and joints. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, kindly like or subscribe, comment, because that is the only way you will support me. I appreciate your time if you watch until from the start till the end. I appreciate every effort you've made to come across this video, watch it till the end. I say thank you so much. May God bless you. May God protect you wherever you are. Thank you so much.
Hello my good people, I hope you are doing fine. I'm also doing okay. So guys, today I just decided to prepare some little mama